Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're looking at the Hoover MAXLife Pet Swivel Vacuum Cleaner, a bagless upright vacuum designed with pet owners in mind. This model promises powerful cleaning performance, advanced filtration, and a host of features to tackle dirt, debris, and pet hair in every corner of your home. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel Vacuum Cleaner is engineered with a focus on high performance and user convenience. It boasts WindTunnel technology, a feature designed to maximize suction power, helping you clean more effectively on both carpets and hard floors. This vacuum uses the MAXLife filtration system, ensuring the vacuum lasts longer, while also offering a sealed allergen system with a HEPA filter that traps dust and particles, making it a solid choice for allergy sufferers. But what does all this mean in real-world terms? For one, you can expect a deeper clean, even in tricky spots, thanks to the vacuum's ability to lift embedded dirt and debris. The brush roll is engineered to tackle pet hair without the dreaded hair wrap, keeping things running smoothly without constant maintenance. What really sets the Hoover MAXLife Pro apart is its versatility. With 13 feet of extended reach, it's ideal for cleaning more than just floors. The vacuum comes with a pet upholstery tool, a crevice tool, and a dusting brush, all of which allow you to reach tight spots, clean stairs, and refresh upholstery. The swivel steering ensures you can maneuver around furniture with ease, making it simple to get into those hard-to-reach areas. The machine itself is corded, meaning you won't have to worry about battery life, but you'll be tethered to a power outlet while you work. In terms of size and weight, the Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel is relatively easy to handle, but it's not the lightest vacuum out there. Still, its ergonomic design ensures it won't feel like a burden during use. When it comes to noise levels, the vacuum operates within a reasonable range, although you may notice it's a bit louder on higher suction settings. If you're particularly sensitive to noise, you might want to keep this in mind. When it comes to practical, real-world use, the Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel does a solid job across a variety of tasks. On hard floors, it picks up fine dust and larger debris with ease, making it an excellent option for kitchens, hallways, or bathrooms. The real test, however, is on carpets, especially when it comes to pet hair. Here, the vacuum truly shines, lifting embedded hair with minimal effort. The Advanced Action Brush Roll does an excellent job of working through carpet fibers without tangling, which is especially useful if you have long hair or multiple pets. On stairs, the vacuum performs well, but it's worth noting that the 13-foot reach is only so helpful, and you may still need to use the smaller attachments to really get into nooks and crannies. While the Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel excels in many areas, it's not without its drawbacks. For one, it's a bit bulky. While swivel steering helps with maneuverability, it's still a large vacuum, and if you have limited storage space, it might be a challenge to store it away when not in use. Additionally, the cord length, though adequate, could be a bit longer for larger spaces. If you have a big home, you might find yourself frequently moving from one outlet to another. As far as value for money goes, the Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel offers strong cleaning performance for the price. While there are certainly other vacuums on the market with similar features, the combination of WindTunnel technology, HEPA filtration, and the specialized pet tools makes this vacuum a solid contender in its category. That said, if you don't have pets or don't need advanced filtration, there are more affordable options that could suit your needs just as well. In comparison, vacuums like the Shark Navigator Lift Away or the Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind offer strong performance for less money, but they don't necessarily come with the same level of filtration or specialized pet attachments. If you don't mind spending a bit more for those extra features, the Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel could be worth the investment, particularly for pet owners or anyone looking for a vacuum that handles allergens effectively. Build quality-wise, Hoover's reputation for durability holds true. The vacuum feels solid, with quality materials used throughout, especially in the hose and brush roll. It's easy to maintain as well, with a washable filter and a straightforward process for clearing the brush roll of hair. In terms of longevity, While there's limited long-term data on this specific model, Hoover's track record for reliable products suggests that this vacuum should last well with proper care. Customer support from Hoover is generally well regarded, and with a standard warranty, you can feel confident knowing there's help available if you run into any issues. That said, as with any vacuum, regular maintenance will be key to keeping it running at its best. Now, if we're talking about smart features, this model doesn't have any built-in connectivity or app features. It's a straightforward, no-frills vacuum, designed for those who want reliable performance without any extra tech. If you're after smart home integration, you might want to look into robot vacuums or higher-end models with those capabilities. So, who exactly is the Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel Vacuum best for? If you're someone with pets, allergies, or a lot of carpet, this vacuum should be high on your list. Its deep cleaning power and specialized attachments will make a noticeable difference in your daily cleaning routine. It's also a great option for those who need a reliable, easy-to-use vacuum with solid filtration and suction. On the other hand, if you have a smaller space or prefer a lighter, more compact vacuum, you might want to explore other options. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in purchasing the Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel Vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to share your own experiences with this vacuum if you've used it, or ask any questions you might have. Goodbye till next time, and remember, your home deserves the best.